This land is rich. But here is a real treasure.
It is what our father wanted. He didn't just want to win battles. He wanted land here. He wanted to make settlements where people could live and they could work.
There will come a time when you will be responsible for our people. You are our king. King Ragnar. Father.
Who wants to be king?
But when your time comes, you must lead with your head, not with your heart. Can you do that?
Yes, Father.
He betrayed our name. If he ever came back into it, I would kill him.
Out of all of my sons, it was you I wanted to bring here. Use your anger intelligently. And I promise you, my son, that one day the whole world will know and fear Ivar the Palmer.
Best du ligger frågan! Jag kan ligga drivande! Best du ligger frågan! Jag kan vara den bollen!
You are the most dangerous man on this earth.
How blue are my eyes?
Your eyes are very blue.
You remember I had to ask you every single morning how blue the whites of my eyes were, because if they were very blue, I was in great danger of breaking a bone. I might break a bone, but I can never break a promise.
For the sake of our father. For the sake of our father's legacy and everything he believed in, I'm asking you, Ivar. Do not put our people's lives at risk.
Of course I'm going to kill her!
Pity the sons of Ragnar. Watching these events, even the gods weep.
Horses! Don't die, your father! Ivar!
Ivar!
Ivar! Behind you, Ivar!
You said you wouldn't fight your brothers.
You are no longer my brother. I want to be the most famous man who ever lived.
Even greater than father?
Much greater than father.